Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a comment on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, all you need to do, just ignore all this and log into your account and let's get started. So first of all, if we want to delete our comments, of course, we would like to comment first on a post. So let's just go here to the search and let's just look for something to comment. Let's just go here, for example, wait, let's keep scrolling down. Let's go here to this t-shirts maybe and go into comments and let's comment nice. As you can see here, after posting our comments, if you go back, the comment will stay there, of course. So what if we want to delete our comments on Instagram? All I need to do, just go back, maybe if you leave the post, just go back to the post that you commented on and click on comments again. Then all you need is hover this comment, and as you can see, we have here at the top right corner a trash option. Just click on that, and as you can see, comment deleted. If you want to delete it, you could click on undo there and the comment will not be deleted. So that's how you delete your comment. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.